Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with First American for title search documents. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with First American for title search documents, open your web browser. Navigate to the First American website. Look for the login section on the home page. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once logged in, locate the title search section on the dashboard. Select the option for document retrieval or title search. Input the property address or relevant details into the search form. Click the search button to initiate the query. Review the search results displayed on your screen. Select the desired title document from the list. If needed, add any additional filters to refine your search. Once you've found the correct document, click on it to view details. You may have the option to download or print the document for your records. If you encounter any issues, contact First American Support for assistance. Make sure to log out after completing your session for security purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.